Good day to you, it's Lex from the Productivity Channel, the channel that concentrates on helping you become more productive to pursue your purpose and mission in life. However, I do recognise that many of my viewers are very interested in how we actually make the videos. So today I want to add another layer of sophistication to what you are doing, and thus another differentiator when people have so many voices out there to listen to. Sometimes it's something in the visual or the sound or the character of the person that's going to encourage people to stay loyal to your channel. And so today's point, and I'll jump straight to it, is association by location. Association by location. I work almost exclusively with the Boardroom Network, which has meetings in Wiltshire, Hampshire and Dorset. And if you ever want to know the locations which are important to those counties, then watch the local news. We watch South Today quite regularly, and you'll see the Tower at Kimmeridge, you'll see Durdle Door, you'll see that sail thing, the Spinnaker I think it's called, at Portsmouth. All these key landmarks, imagine Stonehenge for Wiltshire. And with the kind of mobile technology I've been sharing with you, this is an iPhone camera, double mics from Rode and an adapter. You don't need the green screen, I'm using that to demonstrate my point. You can go to these locations and by association perhaps come across as posh or cultured or historically literate. I don't know what the message is going to be. Maybe Stonehenge is grounded in history, maybe Durdle Door will be associated with the rock bands that used it as well. Now there is a problem because most of these places are owned by people who think they own them rather than as stewards of them, so you might have to get rights and permission. But I'm using today pictures I've taken from a distance which I can use quite legally. Think about it. Think about how you could use location, location, location to make the right associations between your message and the quality, the professionalism of your videos. Have a great day.